um, okay. I can't be the only one who's confused on what happened to YouTube. What's with the random gray bar at the bottom where timer where anytime you just scroll down to the bottom of the page and maybe you might just be wanting to thumbs up something, the stupid bar will just pop up and be like, this is what's next in your queue, and I'm sorry. 10 to 1, I usually go to look through my queue from the very front page of YouTube, and it'll also let me know what I've watched and what I haven't watched. I mean, yes, there's stuff I haven't watched that probably are in that little spotlight thing, but sometimes I can't remember. Um, and then other times I don't care. That is the most annoying thing in the world. Please, whoever created that, turn it off, stop it. It's driving me insane. As well as probably many other people, because it's the most more annoying feature that currently YouTube has added. Thank you, and if anybody else knows if there's some kind of petition to get rid of it, let me know.